We are now going to solve this problem, but before we move on, we have to read the problem a couple of times to make sure that we understand what the problem is about, what is it asking us to do, and what are the information that we could use in order to solve the problem. Let's read it. Dominic drew a 72-centimeter line on the playground with blue chalk and another line with pink chalk that is 14 centimeters longer than the blue line. How long is the pink chalk line Dominic drew? Okay, the problem is about the lines that he drew using blue and pink chalks. The problem is asking me how long is the pink chalk line Dominic drew. Now I need to reread the problem and see what information can I use in order to answer this question. Dominic drew a 72-centimeter line on the playground with blue chalk. I'd like to underline this because I feel that I'll be able to use this later as I try to solve the problem. And another line with pink chalk that is 14 centimeters longer than the blue line. I guess this section is giving me a good hint on how I can solve the problem. It says here that the pink chalk line is 14 centimeters longer than the blue line. Is it saying that the pink chalk line is just 14 centimeters? No. It's actually telling me that the pink line is longer than the blue line by 14 centimeters. Now let me show the model of the problem or draw a model of this problem to make sure that I truly understand it. So it says there that the blue line is 72 centimeters. Now since the pink line is longer than the blue line by 14 centimeters, my line in pink color should be longer than the blue one. So I know that from this point up to here, it is 72 centimeters. And this other section would represent the 14 centimeters that was mentioned in the problem. Now, how do I know how long the pink line is? What should I do with 72 and 14? That's right, we have to put them together. So the equation to solve the problem would be 72 plus 14 equals the unknown. There are a lot of strategies that we could use to solve this addition problem or equation, and one of my favorites would be the expanded form. Instead of writing them across, I write them on top of one another. So it's going to be 72 plus 14, and then I expand the number. I know that in 72 there are 7 tens, so it's going to be 70 plus 2, and then for the 14, it's going to be 10 plus 4. Now I'm ready to put them together. 2 plus 4 will give me 6, and 70 plus 10 will give me 80. 80 plus 6 is going to be 86. So therefore, 72 plus 14 is 86. Don't forget the label, 86 centimeters. So the pink line is 86 centimeters.